So welcome back to Mid Morning Live, and joining me on set is none other than the gracious, lovely, beautiful Nalini Akal. Everybody knows of her belly dancing. She does a lot of different types of dance, and boy, she showed me some things yesterday. Anyway,
Yes.
so here, this is like a challenge show now. This is
Yes.
not an ordinary interview. Today I'm chatting with Nalini a little bit,
Yes.
but as you see, I'm wearing a belt. So I guess I'll be doing a little bit of belly dancing today. So wish me good luck.
So
And
yeah, exactly. And I gave you a beautiful peacock themed beaded from Egypt belt because I thought, hey, orange and green and a little touch, so we could match and
so
everything.
we've had Nalini on the show before, so let us chat with what's happening with you, Nalini.
Well, right now, N9 is expanding again. I know it's a recession, but we try our best. And the thing is that we try to make everyone feel like we can progress. And the truth is, you don't really need money to progress. You just need your mind and your heart and your space, and you can go forward. That's what I believe about just life overall. This wasn't the first recession we've come across.
Correct,
2008 we
yes.
had, in 1988. Maybe it's only the eighth by now. 2018 will be done. So-
Correct. Very positive outlook, I might
think
add.
so. I think so. So, with us, even though things have gotten a little tighter, I think people have smaller weddings this year, smaller events. Everybody's cutting back. But the truth is, it's giving us an opportunity to now launch even new products. So, for example, at our studio, we do small events where we do mini shows and so forth. These will be kicking off over summer. And that is to make the studio self-sufficient and also to give people different experiences. So I have a few unusual ideas up my sleeve.
So your students will be performing, and you'll be
Students,
inviting,
us,
getting an
we'll be
audience.
performing, and then we have these interactive audience sets and things like that. So
I'm going to be dancing pretty
yes,
soon.
the interactive audience one I came up with this morning. Even we do contact dance with Jakob Sino at our studio. It's, believe it or not, a free class, and you can choose if you want to pay the teacher. So it's one of our unusual classes we have.
Oh, yeah, it depends on how you
How
feel.
you feel at the end. So he's like, oh, he deserves 100 or 50 or whatever. And so that's one of the ideas. Those are called karmic classes as well. So we're going to be having that for yoga and other things. Even a karmic belly dance class at 6 o'clock will be starting up during summer. So you can come for free, and then however you feel to pay, you pay the teacher on that day. Yes. So
interesting.
yeah, it's just new things, for people to say, well, we keep moving forward. We don't just stay stuck and think, oh, well, everything is gonna become stagnant. I always tell people there's a word called stability, which is good, and then there's stasis, which isn't. So you don't want to be like you're just there and you're not actually creating
And
anything.
nothing is happening.
Nothing is happening. And when that happens, degradation happens. Things start to go down, and we don't want that. We want to keep moving. We want to keep pushing forward, and one day, you'll get the fuel behind you, and you will just shoot for the stars.
Very good, very good. This is not a motivational talk we're here
No.
to dance, but that is very inspiring. I must say that.
Yeah,
very, very inspiring.
I'll tell you why, because I do flowers as well, believe it or not. Like, when do I have time to do flowers? Whatever. But anyway, there's a flower that I have. It's the Easter lilies. And the truth is, sometimes I put some of them into hibernation because I have 800 bulbs.
Wow.
Yeah, so over 10 or 12 years, I've been growing these bulbs. Anyway, one year, bulbs just started to grow. There was no soil, there was no water, and the bulbs were sprouting out the flowers. And it's just something to show you that even when no resources are there, you can still grow.
And flowers bloom.
Exactly.
That's
So-
amazing. Probably just had just a little bit of moisture that caused it to.
So in the air, just from the air, probably.
Wow,
And that's what caused it.
amazing.
Yeah, so I got inspired by that, because I think even when you think you don't have anything, that's the moment where you really pull in and you find the inner resource and you grow. Yeah.
I put that on Facebook last week. It's when we realize we're really nothing. You
Yeah.
open the space
That's
for
right.
real for everything to come in.
Exactly.
Because it is a humbling thing to know that we came from nothing, we'll return to nothing.
Correct.
And we're here to make the best of what we have now. So in that realization is when you open that door for your greatness to really come in.
Exactly.
And
And
grow.
you have to believe that something better is coming so that you can receive it.
And yes, and that's another thing. I think we
Yeah.
need to do a separate show because we block our own blessings.
That's
We
right.
are the ones preventing that blessing from flowing. And you're right. When you accept these things, you open the door for your own blessing. And sometimes we're the ones blocking our own progress.
So the thing is, even when we're dancing, I'm gonna show you how we can open up some energy now.
Oh, and it's
I
all
get-
about the energy today. So, all right.
So we're gonna start with a basic. I'm just gonna show you. Usually you have both knees slightly bent. I always tell my students shoulders, hips, and ankles. So you're aligning yourself. You're
Really?
gonna bend your knees slightly. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run the back of my heels. And that is our basic shimmy. So you're starting with shimmy 1. Yeah, we can start. You can try the music with it, yes?
Oh, we're going to try the music
yes,
with it as
why
well.
not?
Let's hope the energy is favoring me today.
All right, so we're gonna bend the knees and run the heels.
We're running the heels.
Yeah, and this is a great calorie burner too. So you can be washing wares. I had one dancer once, she said, I wash wares and I do this. I said, yes, it was a very good idea.
Is that why you're so slim?
Actually, it's a combination of pole dancing, eating healthy, detox waters, and belly dance.
Okay,
Yeah, for
next
sure.
show is pole dancing.
For sure, for sure. All right, so the next move we're gonna do is we're gonna just go into what we call third position and dance. So you're gonna, perfect, you're almost there. Just place one foot. So you're gonna mirror me. So I'm gonna be correct. Bring your heel in. How you do a third position is that you're gonna have 0, 0 the feet, 90, and then you're gonna 45 them in. Yes? Great. And then you're gonna point the foot forward. And then you're gonna sit slightly. You can rest your toes at this time because you're a beginner and you just wanna be able to be relaxed, yeah? Bring your arm forward and you can lift the other arm up. This is a simple placement, yes? I'm gonna just lengthen so you can be nice and lengthened. You wanna be lengthened. And 3 and 4. You're gonna go hit, 2, very good, 3, 4 and 5, 6, nice, 7 and 8. And you see Diane is doing something that we N9 dancers love. She's smiling right through it. Even though she's in mild pain, she's smiling. she's going good. And we're gonna double it with this beat coming up in 2. Hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it like you mean it. Hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it like you mean it. Then we go into a shimmy.
Shimmy again.
Very good, yeah. You're gonna vary it. With this, we're gonna roll our shoulders. Roll the shoulders and rolling.
Oh, I'm shimmying, sorry.
And you're still shimmying. It's kind of like doing this.
Okay, yeah. That is a little bit hard for a beginner.
Keep shimmying.
I'm shimmying.
Yes. 3, and now we're gonna undulate. Chest, belly, hip. Chest, belly, hip. Chest, belly, hip. Now I also did 2 undulations. We're doing a common one, which is the basic, but then we have an Egyptian one, which I'm gonna do now for you. So what is gonna happen is I'm gonna send the hips forward, and I'm gonna bend the knees and sweep it back.
Okay,
That's
this
a
is
little-
not an episode of Ellen, and I am not going to be doing
Very
the
good.
Egyptian.
I know, because you know, Diane did a very good job yesterday. We worked out yesterday, and she's still in awe of some of the moves.
Oh my, she showed me some moves that she probably can't do on television.
Yes, I did. so the thing is, you know, there's so much more that you can do out there. If you're looking for us, we're at N9 Dance Company on Facebook, as well as in the phone book. Just look at the Dance Institutes. We're N9 Dance Company, and there's so much more coming soon.
And you also have a class in Shiguanas right here.
I have a class in Chaguanas. It's at Yoga Plus in Montrose, right there opposite Wendy's. I guess that's free advertising for them. So anyway, N9 Dance Company, and we're right there at Yoga Plus, 3rd floor, and I teach on a Saturday, 11 to 1.
I'm thinking I'll be throwing on a challenge for the ladies.
Yes.
I think I'll be joining this class, and maybe then I'll be in full way like
Well,
this.
you know, because the belly dance really, it works like these 2 lines you see here. You know, they give you these 2 beautiful lines on your stomach, and then the little cut we get is from doing over 8s and under 8s.
Okay. So
You
I am
know?
going to practice. I am going to join that class on a Saturday, and I
Yeah.
am going to be. Maybe we'll have a continuing series of belly dancing sessions.
I think so. I don't mind teaching a little something for our audience, you know.
Right. So we'll go into the figure 8 next class. So Nalini, I wish you all the best.
Thank you, and you'll see a piece shortly from me.
Yes, and then she'll be performing first. No, I'm not gonna get into full way now. She's gonna be doing a dance to you all, and Look out for Nalini. I'm sure big things to come.
Yes.
And we'll talk about that on another show.
Yes, for sure.
Right. So, back in a minute.